guys, who do we have here?
Brandon. Dalton.
What are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
A little skydive. Talking about perfect good airplanes.
That's right.
You guys are crazy. Any occasion?
Nope, just
for
for
fun.
fun. Just for fun.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Your fault?
Yep.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
Nope.
Nothing.
I'm nervous.
You trust this guy?
I do.
You trust me?
I do.
You're both nuts.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. Let's go rock and sky to have some fun. High five. High
Ready.
five. High
Let's
five.
go.
Here we go.
Do it.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys, you ready? You're both crazy. Let's get in, up, out of this airplane, go rock and sky to have some fun. Yeah.
I think that was awesome.
You did great, bro.
That was
About to get better.
better than I expected.
Pull the right one down, all the way down. Let the left one down.
Hell yeah.
All the way around. The more you pull, the harder you pull, the faster. Hands up on the right. Hard. Yeah, hard. Good one. Yeah. Back. What do you think?
Probably one of the best experiences I've had.
Yeah. You did great, man.
That was awesome.
Come back out, see us again. We'll let you open the parachute next time. Skydive Colorado Springs. High five. Woo.